Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming identity and connectivity. On your iPhone, open Settings and verify the Apple ID at the top. On your Mac, check System Settings Apple ID. Once done, make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network and plugged in so sync won't pause. You also want current OS builds. Updates fix sync bugs. This initial alignment prevents account mismatches and connection drops, so do not skip it before enabling the specific iCloud services you need. Now you enable the actual sync items. On the iPhone, go to Settings Apple ID iCloud and toggle Photos, Contacts, Notes, and other apps you want synced. Then on the Mac, open System Settings Apple ID iCloud and enable the same items so data mirrors. Make sure your iCloud storage has room. Once it's near full, syncing can stall, so upgrade if necessary. By matching selections on both devices, you control what flows and avoid partial or duplicated data. To finish, trigger an immediate sync and verify success. For a stuck item, toggle the specific iCloud service off and back on. Wait about 10 seconds between changes to let servers register the update. If things still lag, restart both devices and, if needed, sign out and sign back into your Apple ID to refresh tokens. Make sure your backups and Wi-Fi are functioning. If problems persist, reset network settings as a next step. This sequence resolves most sync errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.